ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kinongyalam ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kumshibintaban penkre ke jingwan Rahul Gandhi unongyalam ke All India Congress Committee hakar pu Tarik mentau benai ke Lyngba hak jela Meghalaya. Kini ke jingwan Rahul Gandhi hak Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra kalong kumshibintaban pensngo shagi pajba ik babon ki mat ki bakata shisha ye upajba jongkari. Habakren shiklar pathai kubor ubaroni Lyngba ubade working president juga MPCC ulong bakani ke Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra kalong banwanra ek julong kawe jogi pajba nong shong shnong na ke benta banya khun hak rukam ke baklan bha yak ba on yalam do Rahul Gandhi.
Our leader Rahul Gandhi ji is arriving on the 22nd. Maybe he will be arriving at Jorabat, at around 2 o'clock or 2:30. But within 3 o'clock he should be there because he's coming from Assam. And then he will walk from BDO office up to Paham Sim playground on foot. And then there we'll have a meeting. Then after that he will leave and stay the night at Bharat as usual in a container. And then the next day he'll have a meeting at USTM with the NCC, Northeast Congress Committee leaders in Bharat USTM complex. Democratically elected leaders, MPs, Member of Parliament, 146 of them have been suspended. I don't think any parliament in the world, democracies, will do this, except maybe in autocracies, dictatorship, this kind of things happen, but not in a democracy. So Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra is all about that. Not to be mistaken that the elections are approaching, so no. It's to highlight all these issues, to wake up the citizens of India, the people of India, regarding the misuse of power, rather abuse of power by this NDA government. You see any opposition, and I think if you look at the statistics, none of the ministers or MPs or MLAs are affected by this witch hunt of the BJP, where they set the CBI, the ED, the IT after all these leaders, especially if they are popular, they have the support of the people, then the BJP, the NDA will ensure that they set these people against them so that it hampers their work, hampers their interaction with the public. So then you see price rise, unemployment, and then even religious freedom. And you see in Manipur, if the Prime Minister can go all over the world, why can't he visit Manipur? Why can't he offer a word of consolation? And the people who have been affected, all the communities, irrespective of whether they are from the majority community or the minority community, the tribal, he should at least, by going there and sharing the grief, the pain, and by keeping silence. By keeping silent, it's like encouraging those forces that keep, even now Manipur is still on the point. So this is Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra, and I believe somebody has said, they've mistaken the word Naya with Nyay. Nyay is justice. So somebody said, Naya, this is all, I don't know. Maybe they've not put their thoughts properly. So it's Nyay, basically, loosely translated is justice. So we want to ensure that there is justice in this country, that people who are in power don't misuse their position.